Hi mga higala, welcome back to my channel. O karon mga higala, adto ta sa vaccination center.
Again.
Second dose vaccine for daddy.
Today they announced in Utah,
Yeah.
everyone can go now.
Wow.
You have to have an appointment. But starting Monday, everyone, every age, every person who wants a shot can go online and get a appointment.
Wow. Tingnan nyo, ang daming bus. So, banimi guys, adto mi sa vaccination center diri sa Farmington.
Oh, yes.
Pakita na ko sa inyo ha guys kung giunsa diri sa Amerika pagbakuna diri sa Amerika guys. Mag-drive ko kami guys. Okay, let's go. Okay guys.
Any identification or anything?
We need your paperwork.
Where is the people? RJ. Yeah.
Alright, so we'll go over these questions with you. Are you feeling sick at all today?
No.
Here for your second dose of Pfizer? Any severe allergic reactions to anything? Good. Have you had COVID-19?
No.
Good. Any vaccinations in between your shots?
No.
Weakened immune system, cancer, anything like that? Eating disorders or unblockers?
No.
There's daddy.
Alright, which arm would you like? Right arm. Okay, right arm.
Oh, I cannot see.
Good. Alright, so sometimes second dose has a little more kick than the first. So if you do get those flu symptoms, you're welcome to take Tylenol, ibuprofen, whatever's your favorite. Alright.
In the
In
back.
2 minutes.
Really?
I'll show you. In 2 minutes.
Okay.
Each part's 3 minutes.
Okay, honey pie.
Okay, so I got the vaccination. Up on top of my arm.
What's your experience? Is
The shot.
dalawang ni daddy.
Another mask.
Okay guys, nandito na kami. Na kami diri guys sa Utah Highway Patrol. Utah Highway Patrol. That name. Police that there.
You know that?
I not know
How many
that.
times you been?
I know that.
Yeah,
I'm not reading that.
I know that.
I not know that RJ.
driver's license.
I not reading
Highway
RJ.
patrol. And that sign's been there forever.
Driver license here. Daddy guys, get a handbook again guys dahil isa lang kunuha niya noon. Saka ngayon kukuha namang isa
Everything's shaping everywhere.
para mayroon siyang
Oh my
handbook.
gosh.
Accident.
A lot of people now here. Windstorm
You do?
here in
Now they have a
Farmington.
car
Grabe
wash.
ang
They have a car wash now.
Okay.
Grabe ang lakas ng hangin dito guys sa Farmington kapag mayroong storm. Ayan, dito na kami guys sa Petron. Sa Sebron. Gasoline station, not Petron. Petron in Philippines. Daddy and RJ, go inside. Nagbili ng Grandma cookie. There he is. There's the dog. Oh, dog.
That's the dog we're gonna get. You know, Jay?
So big.